Well, good morning everyone from the Jamaica Inn in Cornwall. Cheeky little stealth camp last night out on the main road. So let's go see if they've got breakfast because I am starving. This looks absolutely amazing. Not bad for 15 quid, mind. I will add that a £15 breakfast is a lot better than a £2 waterfall in North Wales. What did I get? Look at that! It's a Galaxy Fudge apparently. So I'm going to enjoy that later with a nice cup of coffee. So I'm currently in Penzance going for a walk. So far I've not found any pirates. So I'm going to keep looking. There's a storm a brewing, and here comes the storm. Nah, not going out in that yet. I think I've just located Captain Birdseye. Evening all. So I've been told by a local that the Cornish Pirates in Penzance are playing the Royal Navy tonight in a game of rugby. So I'm going to take a walk down. I was going to have a nice quiet evening, but rugby it is. Well, fair play, that was a really good game of rugby. Now back at the van, I'm going to get my head down, a bit tired. If you don't want to know who won the rugby, please look away now. Morning campers. Morning all, sort of an alright sleep, got about 5 hours. So this morning's plan is to get a coffee inside me, porridge, a leisure centre at 7 o'clock, grab a nice hot shower, have a morning obvious, and then hit the road. Oh, beautiful. Memories. Thank you. Okay, so that's a shower done here at Penzance Leisure Centre. Just so you all know, it just cost me £3, and the staff here don't mind people who van life and also go out in their campers coming here for a shower. So if you're down in Cornwall in Penzance and you need a shower the next day or during the day or in the evening, there we go, Penzance Leisure Centre, and they're more than accommodating for people in vans. Okay, through the magic of film, I have changed into some nice fresh clothes, and thank you again to the ladies I've just met at Penzance Leisure Centre, and time to hit the road. discovered I'm hungry again, so let's check out this place. That was the dog's nuts. I think you'd all agree that on any given day, Cornwall really is such a stunning place to visit. So unless you haven't guessed already, tonight's park-up location is Perranporth, and as you can see, windy a bit but absolutely stunning as usual. So I'm just going to have a little walk into town. Time to do the YouTuber chucking food in the basket scene. Oh, I forgot about the eel. Nearly there. Home sweet home. So good evening then, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we are going to be cooking, after I've had my coffee, salad, chili salmon with chili charge and mayo, and my weapon of choice is going to be the ridge monkey. Okay, so that is a perfect fit, and now it's time to introduce some cheesy music. Let's see how it's getting on. Ow. Oh, look at that. I think it's done. That is lush. And there you have it. Chili charger salad with chilled salmon in a camper van. Look at that. I don't think Gordon Ramsey could have done any better. But here's an idea, Gordon. Why don't you create a show, I get royalties, and call it Cooking in the Camper? Well, it's late after 5 hours sleep last night. I need to get my head down. So, good night everyone, and I'm setting off back to reality in the morning. Good night.